Welcome to today's review on the KENWOOD DMX709S, a premium car stereo designed to elevate your in-car entertainment experience. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this car stereo at the best price in the market. The KENWOOD DMX709S combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, starting with seamless Apple CarPlay integration, allowing you to make calls, send messages, and navigate using Siri while keeping your focus on the road. Android Auto users are also supported, with intuitive voice controls and compatibility with Google Maps and Waze, making navigation simple and distraction-free. Media playback is a breeze thanks to the USB port, which lets you watch videos or listen to music in high resolution, while AM/FM HD radio and optional SiriusXM connectivity expand your audio options to include music, news, and sports without compromise. Safety is prioritized with 3 camera inputs, including a rear-view camera with adjustable parking guidelines, helping you reverse confidently and avoid obstacles. Audio customization is another strong suit of the DMX709S, featuring a 13-band graphic equalizer and time alignment settings, so you can fine-tune sound staging and enjoy rich, balanced audio tailored to your taste. Installation is straightforward with its standard double DIN format, fitting most vehicles without extra modifications, and the high-contrast display ensures clear visibility even under bright sunlight. While the touchscreen is highly responsive, some users may experience a slight learning curve with the extensive settings menu initially, but once familiar, customization options are robust and intuitive. Connectivity options are wide-ranging, supporting smartphone mirroring for select Android devices, making it easy to control apps directly from the screen. The stereo also excels in build quality, with durable materials and a polished finish that looks premium in any dashboard. Whether you're streaming music, taking calls, following navigation, or simply tuning into the radio, this KENWOOD receiver makes every drive more enjoyable and interactive. For those who want a complete in-car entertainment solution with enhanced safety features, superior sound, and modern connectivity, this model is a top choice. Remember, you can access Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, multiple media formats including FLC, and fine-tune audio settings to your liking, all while maintaining safe driving practices. Some minor drawbacks include the optional nature of the SiriusXM tuner, which is sold separately, and the potential need to familiarize yourself with all features to maximize the experience. Overall, the DMX709S offers a strong combination of aesthetics, functionality, and user-friendly controls that will transform your car's dashboard into a high-tech hub. Don't miss out on experiencing the difference this stereo can make in your daily drives. Click the link in the description below to grab your KENWOOD DMX709S at the best price today and upgrade your in-car audio and connectivity instantly, bringing modern convenience, entertainment, and safety all into one sleek package.